I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Ho, ho, ho.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to set me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
Hey guys, welcome back to Kenny Beauty. So, like I mentioned to you guys before, I am doing a Vlogmas. Oh, this hat just can't seem to what's going on with this thing? Just doesn't sit on my head the right way or something. It's a little too big, I think, is what's going on. Anyways, so today we're gonna do my candle favorites for the holiday, the best holiday candles sort of video. I mentioned this in my Bath and Body Works haul that we would be doing this, and I know I had asked you guys whether you wanted to see favorites or a haul, and I got some mixed things. So I think basically my favorites will be some of the candles that I hauled as well, so it kind of all works out. If you guys are new here, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, tap the bell so you can be notified of all of the new upcoming videos. And we're doing some Vlogmas giveaways, and I will be announcing the winners probably either right before the holiday or after the holiday, depending on the scheduling of things. I haven't decided if I'm going to do a dedicated video or if I'm going to do a live or how I'm going to go about this. But there are separate Vlogmas giveaways going on that you guys actually don't really know about. I haven't shown you what they are. I'm gonna put together some stuff. I have some of my favorite palettes from the year, just some goodies that I'm compiling all together, probably two different giveaways I'm thinking. So anyways, in order to enter the giveaway, you need to be publicly subscribed to the channel. It's an account, it's a setting in your account on YouTube. If you don't know how to do it, let me know down in the comments below and I will help you out. And you also need to leave a comment and like all of the Vlogmas videos. So those are the ones with the special intros. They're holiday, you can tell. I think the first Vlogmas video was the eggnog trifle that I did with my brother, and then since then we've just sort of been doing Vlogmas after Vlogmas. So anyways, that's how you enter the giveaway. And yeah, so let's get right into these yummy candles. I love the smell of candles at this time of year during the holidays when it's cold out, it just makes it so homey and comfy. So yeah, let's get into these candles, and I can't wait to show you guys some of my faves. Okay, and because I have so many candles, I'm going to try to fly it through this as fast as I can. So the first candle is my Eucalyptus scented candle from Haven Street Candle Company. And this is the only candle I have ever gotten. I should hold this up a little bit better. This is the only candle I have ever gotten that truly smells straight up like eucalyptus with a little bit of Christmas tree mixed in. It's so refreshing and just clean. Like, it makes your whole house smell so clean. And I absolutely love the case as well. I mean, this thing is huge. And I don't discriminate with candles, you guys. I don't just buy Bath and Body Works candles. Like, I will, if I see a candle like in Target or in Marshalls, or I'm trying to think of where else, White Barn Candle, like just any place, if I see something that I like the way the candle looks, and then more importantly I like the way it smells, then I'll grab it. You know what I mean? Like, I don't have to be like a designer top shelf candle buyer. Like, I will buy them if they're on sale and I like them. So anyway, okay. Another one of my favorite brands for candles is Chesapeake Candle Company, and this is their Dark Merlot. This smells like a cross between a Dark Merlot wine and cherry cheesecake, like more on the sweet end, but then you have like the back note of the aromatic wine sort of smell. Like a sweet dessert wine is what this smells like. It doesn't smell straight like Merlot. Like I said, it's like a mix of cherry cheesecake and Dark Merlot wine, and it's from the Chesapeake Candle Company. So good. Okay, so this next candle is from Aroma Lights, and it's called Comfort Cozy Cashmere. Oh, I love this. I love this. It smells like fresh cut cucumber mixed with holly berry and a little bit of fresh linen. Like, it mostly smells like cucumber, basil, and holly berry. I absolutely love this. I feel like this scent is so unique, and I have not been able to find anything else like this or that smells like this as far as any of my other candles. So I hope I can find a way to buy it again online once this burns out. Obviously it's a big candle, so I'm nowhere close to that now, but it smells so good. So good. Okay, so this next candle is just, I mean, the perfect gift. Look at how beautiful this is. It's called Sparkling Prosecco, and it's by Catherine Melodrino. I think that's how you say that. And this smells so good. It smells like grapefruit mixed with cranberry and holly berry and raspberry and Prosecco. It smells like Prosecco. Like if you had a crushed fruit, crushed berries, and grapefruit in a Prosecco, this is what this candle smells like. And then look at this. Look at the packaging. Look at this tin. It is so gorgeous. The rose gold. I've seen other ones like this. I just think these are so pretty and such like a perfect gift if you are looking to give somebody a good, nice gift for the holidays and they like candles. Oh, so good. Okay, so this next candle is made by Sensational. It's a little bit smaller. It's called Mulled Cider. And when you open it up, it literally smells like freshly made cider, like a spicy cider. That's what it smells like. And not apples, just like that spicy cider smell. And this is another favorite for the holidays. Okay, next up we have this number 5 Festive Orange and Pine Scented candle. And it's from the Splendor and Joy Lab. And the packaging is really cute. And then, I mean, it really does smell. It smells like pine tree, like a sweet sap of a pine tree mixed with like sweet clementine and citrus. It's like a sweet citrus smell and like a pine needle sappy kind of a smell. And this is just so unique and so good. I've never smelled anything as far as candles. Like, it's a very unique combination of scents. And again, this is from the Splendor and Joy Candle Lab. So good. Okay, so for all of you guys that watched the Bath & Body Works haul, spoiler, this is the new candle that I hauled recently. Twisted Peppermint from Bath & Body Works, White Barn Candle Company, I should say. Again, smells like straight up peppermint essential oils. It's not very sweet. There's a tint of sweetness on the back end, but for the most part, it smells like true peppermint, not peppermint candy, but just true peppermint smell, and I love it. It's so refreshing. And then the packaging on these is just so cute too. Okay, next up I have another candle from Sensational, and these, I don't know if I mentioned this before, but these Sensational candles are natural soy candles that are made in the US. And this is Winter Cabin. And literally this smells like Christmas tree mixed with apple fritter and cider all together. Like, this is the perfect holiday smell. When I think of the holidays, I think of this type of smell. Christmas tree mixed with cider, mixed with apple fritter. We got some spicy pumpkin pie in there too. So good. And I love soy candles because they burn a little bit cleaner, in my opinion, than like the regular run-of-the-mill candle formula. soy, and then there's another type of candle. I think it's a vegetable. I don't know for sure, but there's different types of candles, as you guys are aware, I'm sure. I'm not a candle expert, so don't come at me, you know, don't cancel me, but there are different formulas of candles, just like there are of makeup, and some burn cleaner than others. I've always been a fan of soy candles. Okay, so this next candle is a new candle I found. This is by Sand & Fog Candle Company, one of my favorite candle companies, and this is called Honey Tobacco. And when you take her out, look at how pretty she is. I have never ever smelled anything like this. Again, it's the Sand & Fog Candle Company, and it's called Honey Tobacco. This is a soy candle as well, and this smells like men's leather jacket mixed with mostly like honeycomb, sweet honey flavor to start out with, and then just a little bit of wood, a little bit of like oak in the far back note. So good. And then I love this packaging. Look at how beautiful this candle is, you guys. It smells so good. I can't stop smelling it. It smells so good, you guys. I just want to smell it all day. Like, I don't even know how to describe it, but it smells so good. Like honey. Honey and caramel with a little bit of oak, a little bit of woodsy on the back end note. I think that's my favorite, I think. Okay, next up we have this candle from Lodge Sweet Lodge. And this is Fresh Balsam Scented Candle Soy Wax Blend. It is made in the USA. And this candle smells exactly like freshly cut balsam Christmas trees. I don't know about you guys, but growing up, my family always used to end up getting balsam trees for the most part. I think there was 1 or 2 years we ended up with something different, but like this literally reminds me of every time we would put the tree up in a little balancey little round thing, and needles would get everywhere, but it would smell so good. And the living room would just always smell like that balsam Christmas tree smell. This is, of all, because I'm really into tree scents, of all of the candles that I've ever smelled, this one right here, this Lodge Sweet Lodge candle, which I've never heard of this brand, but this candle right here smells exactly the most like balsam Christmas tree that I've ever smelled. It is dead on replica dupe of a Christmas tree smell. So if you guys are like me and don't have room for a Christmas tree all the time, or you get a fake tree but you want it to smell like a real tree, I highly recommend this Fresh Balsam candle by Lodge Sweet Lodge, because it is dead on freshly cut balsam Christmas tree. All right, we're getting to the end here, and we've got our White Barn flannel candle that we talked about before in the Bath & Body Works haul. And again, I don't hate the smell, but it's not my favorite scent. It's not my favorite scent. It's not my favorite scent, but it smells like men's cologne. But I love the packaging. It's so cute and so gifty. I love the blue with the silver and the white. So yeah. Okay, and next we have the Balsam and Fir Scented Candle, and I don't know what, made in the USA, Vegan Soy Wax Blend. Who makes this? Leo Ben Company, in sunny Orange, California. So I'm just gonna, the reason I got this is because of the cute packaging. It says don't hog all the presents. Like, how cute is that? This really is not fragrant like the Sweet Lodge one that we just went over. This has a hint of balsam tree. It's like a sweeter kind of a balsam, and it's not, I wouldn't say it's right on. It's not as fragrant Like if I had to pick, I would definitely go with the Sweet Lodge one, but I did just kind of buy this just because it says don't hog all the presents. It's really cute. Not the most fragrant candle. This isn't gonna be an exact dead-on match for Balsam Tree, but look at how cute that is. All right, and last but not least, we have this beautiful candle from DW Home. I love, love, love DW Home candles. I could just buy thousands of them. They all smell so good. Are these hand poured wax? I don't know if, I don't think that they're, yeah, it doesn't say that they're soy or anything like that. So this is just your typical, you know, candle formula, but look at how festive that, isn't that so cute, that wreath? And the scent is called Hollyberry, and it smells straight up like hollyberry. Hollyberry mixed with like fresh cut apples and hollyberry. So good. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed these holiday favorite candles, the best holiday candles in my opinion. I will try to link all the different candle companies down below in the description box if you want to check out their website. I know a lot of these, like I said, I can find at Target, I find it TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Burlington, and then of course there's like the top shelf White Barn Candle Company, the Prosecco one, like those are more kind of high-end candles, but I love them all, and these are my favorite, like most delicious smelling holiday candles, and I hope I provided like a good mixture. Like I feel like there's certain days that I want like that Prosecco smell, there's certain days that I want like this hollyberry smell, there's certain days and times that I want like the straight up Sweet Lodge Christmas tree smell. So hopefully this gave you guys like a wonderful assortment of candles and holiday scents. And let me know at home like what you guys, let me know down below, comment below like what your favorite scents are or what your favorite candles are. I know everybody can't burn candles because of like allergies and so forth, but just let me know like what are your favorite fragrances for this time of year, what are your go-tos as far as candles, where do you buy your candles and so forth. Maybe you use diffused oils with the little sticks, the diffused oil things, you know what I'm talking about. So let me know down in the comments below, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!